morning everyone. Today we are here for a very interesting session, that is coffee and conversation with alumni. Our today's guest is Isha Sandane.
She stood first in Maharashtra in 2008.
Yes.
In all over Maharashtra, she stood first in her graduation from College of Engineering.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I am Mrs. Harshada Magar, your host for today's session. So tell us brief about you, sir.
Currently, I'm working for Exusia Private Limited as a business consultant, and I am into data analytics. So it's more into business and client interaction, understanding data flow, understanding the client functional requirements, and then converting into the technical requirements and passing it on to the further down the flow line in terms of development and the design process. So that's what I do currently. So earlier I used to work for Deloitte in Mumbai. Then I switched to Bitwise in Pune, and this is my third company. So earlier I was into business intelligence and data visualization, like ma'am already said that. And there I have worked with various data visualization tools as well. So,
In which area students should upgrade with respect to current market and requirement?
recently, there are a lot of skills and technologies that are trending in the market right now. Some of the latest ones are, I would say, there's blockchain, there's cloud computing. I'm sure everyone must be aware of all these trendy terms. Then there's IoT. Somehow even DevOps is also shooting up in the top 10 recent times. So yes, there are a lot of, top 5, top 10 skills that are coming up. But it again depends on your interests, because one thing that I would say that people are lately doing is that with all these new trendy terms coming up in the market, okay, there's data analytics, there's Python, there's R, there's cloud, there's, in cloud also there's Google Cloud, AWS, Azure. What do we do? There's a lot of confusion happening around. No one knows what to do. They want to do everything. It's like, jack of all trades but master of none. That kind of thing is happening right now. So get your mind straight, get your interests straight, understand what that skill is or what that technology is in the first place. At least the basics, get it cleared. So what exactly is IoT? What does it do? What exactly is cloud? What are the different foundations in cloud? Even if you say cloud is just one word, if you dig deep, there are so many diversifications. You can be a cloud architect, a cloud developer, a cloud tester, anything possible. So there are a lot of upcoming trends in the market. Like I said, depending on where your interest lies, just do it. It's always good to know additional skills as well, because they certainly help. They help build your profile well, and the more you know, the better it is, because eventually down the line all these technologies work like an integrated platform. Because in data analytics, just knowing visualization tools is not enough. You will need certainly you will need things like Python and R and some additional backup technologies. They all work in conjunction, in integration with each other. But the core technology needs to be well learned. That is important. So choose that, focus on it, get to its core, and the additional skills come along with it. So that is how you go with the market trends.
How will you contribute to ASSMS as an alumni?
I would surely love to contribute more, because whatever knowledge I have gained all these years, or I am still gaining, because for me, I am that kind of person, frankly, I can't keep quiet. I mean, I can't just be satisfied with what I'm doing. I have to do this, do this, do this, do this. Even though I might not be an expert in everything, which I would certainly even not want to be, but at least would want to have basic knowledge, okay, what's happening in this domain or what's happening over here. So if I know that, okay, I am really good at something, then maybe we can have alumni talks, or if students have any kind of queries or concerns, if whenever I have time or if I'm free, I can be there available to talk to the students and to deal with their concerns. Yeah.
Definitely. Do you want to give any message to our students?
When I joined diploma at that time, frankly, I had limited options. I was told that, okay, do this, do this, do this, and I did that. But even though I was told, I made sure that I didn't disappoint myself, not just my parents, because I was not doing it for them, I was doing it for myself. I didn't disappoint myself in whatever I was doing. That was my aim. So I knew why I was doing what I was doing. That is the thing. So I think now that you guys have joined Polytechnic, you must have had some reason behind doing that. Just give it all your best, give it everything that you can, and things will fall in place.
Three things that inspire you in regards to AISMS.
The push, the constant push that I got from my teachers, that kept on inspiring me. Then is the hard work and the collective hard work, and I would say the culture, because that family feeling, that is also important apart from studies.
Name three teachers you admire the most.
Okay. One is Sonar ma'am, and one is Gizre ma'am, and one is Kukre sir.
Have you ever detained in college, and why?
No, actually, I had an advantage. Since I used to top, I was never a defaulter. Yes.
Coffee with teacher or coffee with boyfriend?
Oh, okay. Coffee with teacher, coffee with boyfriend तो होते ही रहता है.
What is your priority, money or knowledge?
At some point in time, you feel that you want money, but after a point when it gets stagnant, you actually, when you start losing that work satisfaction, money does not play an importance. You want that work and job satisfaction. That's what matters.
Three things which you have missed in our college.
The canteen. Yeah. I hope we have a much bigger canteen now. Yes. So that's one thing. And running around in the corridors for no reason. So yeah, and I am hoping again we have huge corridors now. Yeah, because छुप छुप के भागना पड़ेगा ना. No one is seeing. कोई टीचर देख तो नहीं रहा है. That is the thing. And yeah, the libraries, I don't think they were ever meant to maintain silence.